welcome, welcome, welcome. Keys and Conversations actually started off as a 13-part TV show when I called my friend Anil Srinivasan. He was in Singapore, and I suggested that we do something musical for television. And so we, just like that, invited various musicians. They all agreed to come. And before we knew it, we had Lalgudi Krishnan sir, we had Aruna Sairamji, Vedant Bharadwaj, Yash Golcha, Sharan Apparao, Gauri Ramnarayan, B.S. Purushottam, Gurcharan, Naveen Iyer, and Srinivas sir. So it went off really well, 13 weeks on television. And so we thought, why not make this a ground event and end it with a bang? But we're already thinking about season 2. Just a very quick introduction of Anil, and then he will introduce the other musicians. As recently as yesterday, he won the Yuva Puraskar, given by the central government-supported Sangeet Natak Academy. Anil is the first recipient for the category of creative and experimental music. And his collaborators this evening is each a renowned musician in his own right. He will introduce them. Thank you all so much. Thank you.
This show, as Anu said, really started as a whim on a phone call saying, why not get all these musicians to talk unplugged on television? I had never done television before. But as it turned out, we ended up having a wonderful time, mostly thanks to the wonderful collaborators that I have who very readily agreed to participate on the show. This first person that I'm going to call on stage doesn't realize, but when I was 15 years old, I stood in a queue to get his autograph at Landmark. I never dreamed, okay, that gives his age away, unfortunately, but I never dreamt that I would end up collaborating with him one day. Without much ado, I'd like to call whom I would term legendary, Srinivas. To me, the equally important and significant Naveen Iyer on the flute. And Vikram on the tabla. There's a new side to Srini that we discovered during the course of the show, and that's a side that has a lot to do with ghazals.
Mehdi Hasan was my first love, and he still remains. So, I think when I was in college, in Bombay, I chanced upon this tape. Somebody gave me this tape, and I heard this one ghazal, the first ghazal on the album, and I stuck to it for about 7 days. Maybe I heard it about 200 times. So that's when it started. To this date, I listen to him all the time, and I'm such a big admirer of Mehdi Saab.
रंजिशी सही रंजिशी सही दिल ही दुखाने के लिए रंजिशी सही दिल ही दुखाने के लिए रंजिशी सही आखिर से मुझे छोड़ के जाने के लिए रंजिशी सही दिल ही दुखाने के लिए रंजिशी सही पहले से मरासिम सही फिर भी कभी तो पहले से मरासिम सही फिर भी कभी तो पहले से मरासिम सही फिर भी कभी तो मरासिम सही फिर भी कभी तो रस्मो रहे दुनिया ही निभाने के लिए रंजिशी सही किस को बताएंगे जुदाई का सबब हम किस को बताएंगे जुदाई का सबब किस को किसको बताएंगे जुदाई का सबब हम किस किसको बताएंगे जुदाई का सबब तू मुझसे खफा है तो ज़माने लिए आज सही माना 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 कि मोहब्बत का छुपाना है मोहब्बत माना कि मोहब्बत का छुपाना है मोहब्बत माना 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 कि मोहब्बत का छुपाना है मोहब्बत माना कि मोहब्बत का छुपाना है मोहब्बत चुपके से किसी रोज जताने के लिए रंजिशी सही चुपके से किसी रोज जताने के लिए रंजिशी सही दिल ही दुखाने के लिए आप से मुझे छोड़ के जाने के लिए रंजिशी सही दिल ही दुखाने के लिए रंजिशी सही
I think if we just play the introductory notes, everybody guesses who the composers are. A composer is, for example, I can already hear the or any of the songs of his. So here's a composer that we don't need.
We all love.
Yeah, we all love and we don't need to say
belong
much
to him.
about. I think we all belong to the music of that composer, frankly. So somebody requested me to play just one line of this, so I'll do that. It's just the one line. But I think we should sing a whole song of this particular composer. For those who are still unfortunate enough not to know who this composer is, it's Ilaiyaraaja. And we all grew up on Ilaiyaraaja, and we have a very special number.
We'll just
for
sing
you.
a few lines.
Sure.
Just a Pallavi and a Charanam. One of my favorites.
தாமரை மேலே நீர் துளி தலைவனும் தலைவியும் வாழ்வ பாசம் கொள்ளாமல் பூவே உன் வாழ்க்கைதான் மற்றும் வந்த தென்றலுக்கு மஞ்சம் வர நெஞ்சம் இல்லை அன்பே என் அன்பே தொட்டவுடன் சுட்டதென்ன கட்டழகு வட்ட நீலவும் கண்ணே என் கண்ணே பூபாளமே கூடாதேனும் வானம் உண்டோ சொல் மன்றம் வந்த தென்றலுக்கு நஞ்சம் வர நெஞ்சம் இல்லை அன்பே என் அன்பே.
Just one line from another song as well.
What?
என் இனிய பொன் நிலாவே பொன் நிலவிலே கனாவே நினைவிலே புது சுகம் தருததத்தத தொடருதே தினம் தினம் தருததத்தத இனிய பொன் நிலாவே பொன் நிலவிலே கனாவே.
Thank you.